Okay, this is kind of talk therapy for me with my autism. I'm just basically really scared brain right now, trying to organize my thoughts so I can focus on cleaning my apartment. It's almost done. This is where the barrier always comes because I feel like it's perfectly fine, even though I know it's not. So it's kind of like trying to figure out. I'm fighting against myself because I'm using what feels like it's fine to me. I'm fighting away from my feelings to use my logic. It's like my conscious is fighting against my subconscious. So it's basically fighting against my own brain. My two parts of my brain are fighting against each other. All the while, I'm distracted by things. I'm trying to think of what I need to do. It'd be great to write on paper. I'm trying to get away from the reliance on that, because I feel like I won't always have paper on me versus I will always have my mind on me. So I feel like I'm keeping better at keeping track of everything I need to do in my mind. No, not so much on paper, so I'm getting better. But this is talk therapy to help organize my thoughts, help me calm down. So ideas I have, things I'm trying to keep track of. Well, there's the clean the apartment, which is picking a few things up, sweeping the kitchen floor, doing a few dishes, not that many, vacuuming, and the bathroom. That's about it. Things that are distracting me are worrying about working at the library and stuff down there. Also, but goals with my YouTube channel, work on mnemonics because I need to do those more often, even in the afternoon. But of course, I'm distracted by the messy apartment. YouTube's distracting me a lot, so I have to work on the addiction to that, being dependent on that for entertainment. Working on, my moderator suggested chemistry mnemonics, so that'd be good for mnemonics for that. But keep working on mnemonics. Also, keep working on the dictionary, coming up with remembering all those words, remembering my lines, using all these different mnemonic techniques to train my brain to be able to learn a language in 7 days. So there's that. I'd also like to be able to memorize medical terminology, get like just an incredible repertoire of medical terminology, and make videos on that, because I feel like med students can keep watching those and benefit and learn the medical terminology through these mnemonics, and also learn maybe some mnemonics for the body parts and stuff like that. All this information, mnemonics for mathematics, basically mnemonics for people who would be in college and universities, so that I can create these, and then people can keep coming to this channel over and over again. More and more people can come over the years to keep finding the mnemonics of the math formulas, can find the mnemonics of the words, the definitions, all the trivia and stuff. So that's all that. So plus there's the Playing the Age of Empires 2, because it helps with multitasking, which helps a lot. So yeah. Oh, and the I knew 2. Work on the mnemonics for the I knew. So I've been neglecting for the past few days, which I really need to get back to at least starting tomorrow. Starting tomorrow at the latest. So that's about it. So clean the apartment, which is vacuuming, picking a few things up, vacuuming, bathroom, and kitchen. That's about it. Or the dishes in the kitchen, really. And sweeping the floor is about it. Also, just work on mnemonics for I knew. That's a big thing I can accomplish tomorrow. As well as mnemonics for the trivia I'm doing right now, just train my brain. Working on mnemonics for the different subjects that would help. Also mnemonics for the dictionary, mnemonics for the the medical terminology, as well as mnemonics for various subjects, so that college and university students can continually come back to my channel and watch my videos. So that's that. Anyway, thank you for listening to me. This has helped me keep track of what I need to remember, help me organize my thoughts, and I feel better now. Thank you.